Social value refers to the non-monetary benefits that a construction company, and indeed their individual projects, can bring to the wider community and society, beyond its direct economic benefits. Engaging with social value can include things like creating job opportunities, improving access to public amenities, engaging with the community through events and open days, enhancing social cohesion and well-being, environmental awareness and sustainable outcomes, working with colleges and universities to promote apprenticeships and job opportunities for people seeking to start their careers. Before we explain social value in more detail, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying our videos each week. It would be great if you joined our growing community. Social value is increasingly being used as one of the criteria to evaluate construction tenders, as it recognises the broader impact that a project can have on the community and society. The evaluation of tenders based on social value can help to ensure that projects are not just economically viable, but also contribute positively to the social and environmental fabric of the communities in which they are built. To allow a clear evaluation of a construction tender's true social value, procurement processes often require tenderers to show how they have worked towards and managed to deliver social value outcomes historically. This often means bidding contractors must provide details and evidence of previous projects where they have created positive social value and the specific impacts that they have achieved. It must be demonstrated that they actually do implement their promises. It is commonplace for tender submissions to detail how the project they are submitting a bid for will create jobs and training opportunities for local people, how it will promote sustainability and take real tangible steps in reducing environmental impacts, how it will enhance community well-being and social inclusion on the particular project in question, and also in the surrounding area that the construction project is taking place. Clients who include a social value element within their tenders may often incorporate a question that asks for answers and substantiation on the contractor's policies, targets, and core values. This will help them determine if the contractor tries to create value through its day-to-day practices and whether they are conscious about things such as the environment and more sustainable ways of working and sourcing materials, for example. Although contractors do their best to demonstrate social value within their tenders where necessary, the evaluation of social value can be complex and requires a robust methodology to ensure that it is effectively measured and compared across different projects. This can involve the use of metrics and indicators that assess the social value outcomes of a project, as well as clear understanding of the local context and the specific needs and priorities of the community in which this project is being built. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.